Are you ready to power up your future? At Stanley Community College, our Electrical Systems Technology program is your gateway to a hands-on career in a high-demand field. Designed for those interested in installing and maintaining electrical systems, this program covers everything from AC/DC theory and basic wiring to industrial motor controls and the National Electric Code. You'll train in real-world settings, learning the skills employers are looking for in residential, commercial, and industrial environments. When you graduate, you'll be ready to start your career as a residential or industrial electrician, confident, qualified, and job-ready. Start building your future today with Stanley Community College.